Okay, day 5. Can you have a negative distance? Think about that. If I walk 4 steps forward, is that +4? If I take 4 steps back, is that -4? Not really. It's just a step. Direction doesn't really matter. If I am 6'3" and I stand on my head, am I -6'3"? No, I'm still 6'3". So, let's get into example 1. What is the length of GH? Well, the entire length of FH is 15 millimeters. This section right here is 9.7 millimeters, and we're trying to find out the measurement of this section right here. What's left? So we simply take 15 minus 9.7. Okay? You can even do it in your head. 10.7, 11, 12, 13, 14.7, 0.3 millimeters. Okay? Or you can type it in your calculator. But please remember, don't forget the labels. Put millimeters. What's the length of QN? Well, in this case, we know this part is 1, and we know this part is 1 1/4. We're trying to find the entire line. So that's just simply 1 plus 1 1/4, which equals 2 1/4, don't forget the label, inches. So remember, a postulate is something we just claim to know to be true. So I have a line segment here, AC, and I have B somewhere in the middle. The segment addition postulate basically says, in a lot of words, AB plus BC must equal AC. That is the postulate. There's a long, complicated definition of it. Given 2 points A and C, a third point B lies on the line segment AC, if and only if the distances between the points satisfy the equation AB plus BC equals AC. Well, that's the bottom line. That is the postulate right there. So, example 2, draw this picture. RS is 14, SH is 39, find RH. Well, since SH is the longer piece, I'm going to do this. SH, I'm going to say, is 39. RS, well, that means R is somewhere in between. RS is 14. Well, I'm going to guesstimate. It doesn't have to be perfect or to scale. But obviously, I'm not going to put it in the middle because that would be about 20. So I'm just going to put it somewhere around here. And it says find RH. Well, RS is 14. So I'm trying to find the remainder portion. That's 39 minus 14, which equals 15. And it is in inches. Pictures really help. EG is 100. Now we get some algebra. So I'm going to do this and say, here's E, here's G. And I know that's 100. EF, from here to here, F, is 4x minus 20. And FG, which is from here to here, is 2x plus 30. Well, we just said the postulate said that this section plus this section will equal the entire line segment. So therefore, we just say that. And if it helps, do this. EF plus FG equals EG. And then you just substitute in. What is EF? 4x minus 20 plus FG, which is 2x plus 30. And what's EG? We know that's 100. So I like to lay this out first. It helps as a little baby step in between to remind myself what I'm doing. And now I just combine like terms. 6x, 30 minus 20 is 10, equals 100. I'm running out of room, so I'm not going to show all the steps. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides, which gives me 6x equals 90. Now I'm going to divide by 6 and get 6 goes into 9 one time, and then 30 is left over, so that's 15. So x is 15. Is that my answer? No, not exactly. It says find the value of x. We've done that first part. It also says find EF and FG. So I have to plug 15 in. Here and here. So 4 times 15 is 60. Minus 20 is 40. 2 times 15 is 30, plus 30 is 60. And guess what? 40 plus 60 equals 100. My work is correct. Example 4. T is a point on line AB. Okay? So I know the line segment is AB, and T is somewhere on it. If AT is 3x plus 3, and TB is 5x minus 1, and the entire AB is 6x plus 36, what's the value of x? Well, once again, baby steps. AT plus TB equals AB. Now I just substitute. AT, I already know, is 3x plus 3. It told me that. Plus TB, which is 5x minus 1, is equal to AB, which I've been told is 6x plus 36. It's just simple substitution at that point. I'm going to combine like terms and get 8x here. 3 minus 1 is 2. Is 6x plus 36. Now I'm going to subtract 6x from both sides. 2x plus 2 equals 36. Subtract 2, I don't need to show that, 34. Divide by 2, 17. And that is the value of x. Okay, so again, there's a very wordy definition for this. But basically, if we have an angle P, Q, R, and S is in the interior of the angle. So S is somewhere in here. Like so. What it says is that angle PQS, which we'll call the top angle, we can put a little 1 there to signify that's 1, plus the little angle down here, the second angle, angle SQR, those add up to the overall angle, this angle, of angle PQR. So it's very similar to the segment addition, where this piece and this piece add up to the entire line. Well, this is saying that the one small angle plus the second small angle totals the big angle. And if AOC is a straight angle, I guess I should have done, I'll do another one real quickly for you. AOC and put B, oh, don't know where I was thinking. AOC is a straight angle. So that's AOC. And we'll put a B right here. Then angle AOB plus angle BOC adds up to 180 degrees, because we know a straight angle is 180 degrees. Example 5. What is the measure of TSW if RST is 50 and RSW is 125? So the bigger angle, RSW, is 125 degrees. If RST is only 50, then that means T must be inside. So if this is 50, and this entire angle is 125, the measure of TSW, what we're trying to figure out, is simply 125 minus 50, which equals 75 degrees. So it's just the opposite of the addition. If you know the whole thing and then a piece, you subtract. If you know the two pieces, you add. Okay, example 6. AOC is 130. BOC is 2x plus 4, and AOB is 3x plus 16. First, we got to figure out the big angle and what's in the middle. So here we go. AOC, the big overarching angle, is 130 degrees. BOC, which is the lower angle, we'll call 2x plus 4. And AOB, we'll call 3x plus 16. Well, just like we did before, we can do the baby steps and say that AOB angle plus angle BOC must equal angle AOC. Now we put them in. We know that AOB is 3x plus 16, just like we did with line segments. And BOC is 2x plus 4, and AOC is 130. Combine like terms, 5x plus 20. Subtract 20 from both sides, and divide by 5. So x is 22. Then it says find AOB. So we know x is 22 degrees, and then find AOB, which means we're going to plug 22 degrees in right here. 3 times 22 plus 16. That's 66 plus 16. So AOB is equal to 6 and 6 is 12. Carry the 1, 6, 7, 8. 82 degrees. And if you wanted to find BOC, you could substitute 22 in. 22 times 2 plus 4. Or just do 130 minus 82. Either way would be fine. Okay, go ahead and hit pause real quick and copy this down. I have a straight AZB, XZY, M up here. If I say that angle MZB is 5x minus 11, and angle BZY is 4x plus 2, what does x have to be to make MZY a right angle? Well, first off, a right angle is 90 degrees. So we're going to add 5x minus 11 plus 4x plus 2 and say they got to add up to 90 degrees. Now, join like terms, you get 9x minus 9 equals 90. Add 9 to both sides. And divide by 9. X equals 11 degrees. And you can check it. 5 times 11 is 55, minus 11 is 44. And 4 times 11 is 44, plus 2 is 46. And if you add those together, you get 90 degrees.